Okay guys, if you haven't heard of this company yet, then you definitely just need to go to Amazon and just type in that name, and so many different things are going to show up. They have absolutely everything from our garage to the kitchen, and this time I got the multi-functional fruit and vegetable slicer, and I was so super excited when VEVOR, I'm not really sure how to say the name, but VEVOR, I was so excited when they asked me to receive this for free, to give my honest and unbiased review, thoughts, unboxing type video. And you guys, this right here it is absolutely phenomenal. It can slice so many different things, and I'll show you in just a minute what we have sliced. But you literally, it does have suction cups down here. They're clear, you can't really see it, but there's 3 on that side, and then there's 3 on the other side as well. And you just pull this back, and you can see I'm holding the phone with one hand and pulling it with the other, and it doesn't move. Those suction cups really hold. But you just pull that back, you drop in whatever you were trying to cut, it pushes it, and so it moves, obviously, as you are slicing it, and then you just come over here and you slice it. So easy to use, and things just come out. This right here, you can pull out and turn, whether you want it, thicker or thinner. So I always do like one test cut, and then I'll look and I'll adjust that to whatever we need, because more than likely when I go to use it, it's on a different setting because my kids or my husband have used it, because like I said, this sits out on our counter all the time because we absolutely love it. We get so much use out of it. Anything for a salad, you can throw in here to dice it. We do homemade French fries and things like that a lot, so we use it for that. It's just got so many different things that you can do. So let me show you some things that we cut with it. Okay, so here you see we are putting the tomato in. We do put the top of the tomato pointing towards the blade, and then you just simply spin it, and you can adjust, like I said, the thickness of the cuts if you'd like. And then you can also do potatoes. We like to cut the potato a lot like that, so we then put like some oil and butter and salt and pepper and maybe some seasoning, and then we throw these in the air fryer. They make delicious like homemade potato chips, or it's almost like maybe like a flat French fry, I guess you could call it. And then we even cut our apples like that, so you can get some nice evenly cut apple slices if you'd like. You can put those in either direction, obviously like this. It makes like the little sand dollar type shape in the middle, which my kids love. I don't know why. When we're doing salsa, we always do the tomatoes and then the onions, like you can see here. This is also great if you're trying to cut up a lot of onion for like a cookout and you need them for your hamburgers. So there's so many different ways you can use this thing. It pretty much sits on our countertop and stays there because I use it just about every single day. Whether it's cucumbers or onions or just whatever, just a really healthy snack, and my kids can even use it. Here's the cucumber, which is my son's favorite, so he just throws it in there, and he loves he washes the skin and puts it in there and just slices them right up. Look how perfectly cut they are. It's absolutely so much fun to use, especially when the kids get involved, so I would recommend this 100%.